Hi, I'm Zachary Neal, proud member of Pacific Shore Stones in Sacramento. I'd like to take the time to talk to you a little bit about what stone is good for which application. Starting off with quartz. Quartz is just as durable as natural stone. However, it does contain resin, therefore it is a go-to for indoor kitchen and bathroom use only. Putting it outdoor could discolor the resin. Moving on to natural stone, such as granite and quartzite. Both of these stones have been known to be installed in kitchens. They do require a little bit more maintenance than quartz due to the need to be resealed 1 to 2 times a year. It makes it good for indoor and outdoor use for kitchens. Moving on to marble and soapstone. These two products are a little unique in look, but are a little softer and susceptible to etching and chipping. Makes it good for lower traffic areas such as bathrooms. Also will need to be sealed 1 to 2 times a year.